Every breath holds a moment, everyone a chance to take.
I, Roel Jonas, take you, Dianne, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and honor you all the days of my life.
If you want to see what love looks like, it's the moment where she looks at him. When she's happy, here you see that twinkle. But when she's mad and she scolds him, you know what the groom does? He goes, okay. Love you too, babe. That's love.
There's a stirring in the ocean. There's a rhythm in the wave. It's a calling deep within your bones, and it cannot be contained. Forever you and me, running wild and free, chasing down the sun. Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road of all the places we will go.
Fairy tales are easy, they happen all the time. We have a miracle. For RJ and Dianne have come here today to say to each other, on the journey of life they need each other, to say to God, please be our umbrella. And God will join them, and what God has joined, no man must separate.
Dianne, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road.
RJ, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
The night is fading and time is slowing down. Our troubles melt like the silver snow. Love is calling, the melodies resound. So much beauty to behold. We're coming home. The fire's burning, nowhere else we'll go.
My little sister is married. I'm so excited that she's found RJ. When you watch them together, you can tell they're in love. You can tell, you can feel in the air how loyal they are to each other. I know they'll be there for each other in sickness and in health because I've already seen their dedication in action.
Attaboy. Big strong shoulders. Look good. Let's get that baby making jacket on.
We're coming home. The fire's burning, no.
You know, as fathers, they hate boyfriends, you know? Boyfriends, you know what they want, right? And I know that because I wanted the same thing when I was young. For the record, I still want it, but it's It's a little bit harder these days. May you be happy together forever, and to think that it all started with the small gray Toyota Celica. Let's all raise our glasses, toast the newly married.